In this video, we just cover a small number of CFD applications in improving the aerodynamic performance of aircraft and vehicles. The aerospace and automobile industries are full of applications for computational fluid dynamics. From the airflow around the wings that give a lift to aircraft, or airflow over car spoilers and diffusers for increasing handling and traction, to combustion occurring in the jet or internal combustion engines, computational fluid dynamics are fundamental to most facets of the aerospace industry and automobile sector. Although wind tunnel models and full-scale prototypes are a standard for later stages of development, design and optimization during earlier stages can be significantly accelerated with the CFD studies. MR CFD team conducted numerous simulation projects for industrial and research aerodynamic and aerospace engineering applications. With several years of experience simulating a wide range of problems in various CFD fields using ANSYS Fluent software, the MR CFD company is ready to offer extensive services of CFD simulation, training, and consultation. For instance, some of the projects carried out by MR CFD that have industrial applications include the simulation of external flow on specific cars, which shows how car designers can exploit CFD to carry out the best design for their vehicles in the industry. Applying CFD simulation, we understand flow behavior when passing over the designed car to decrease the drag force applied to it due to the flow separation behind the vehicle, which can have many potential benefits such as dropping fuel consumption.
Kindly like and subscribe to MR CFD channel and tap the bell to get new video updates.
The other example of a CFD project that has simulated successfully is the investigation of external airflow over the rotating propeller of an aircraft. In this project, MR CFD experts simulated the rotational motion of the propeller and obtained the thrust, drag force, and torque generated by the propeller. The industrial application of such projects can design an optimized propeller to generate the highest thrust force while decreasing the drag force exerted due to the airflow passage. One of the other great applications of CFD in aerodynamic industry is its capability to optimize an object's design. For example, in another project carried out by MR CFD, we tried to optimize the design of the NACA 0012 to reach the optimum aerodynamic performance, like the optimum value for the lift-to-drag ratio.
You can benefit from more than 1000 of training product of CFD simulation by ANSYS Fluent software in every field that you can imagine through training shop of the MR CFD website.
You may find the related product in Aerodynamic and Aerospace category mentioned before in our training shop by clicking on the option that is identified with red circle. Our services are not limited to the mentioned subjects, and the MR CFD is ready to undertake different and challenging projects in the aerodynamic and aerospace modeling field, ordered by our academic and industrial clients. We even accept carrying out CFD simulation for any abstract or concept design you have in your mind to turn them into the reality and even help you reach the best design for what you may have imagined. You can consult with our experts freely and then order your project by sending the details of the problem to us using the following addresses. By entrusting your project to the MR CFD, you will not only receive the related project files like geometry, mesh, case and data, but also you will be provided with an extensive tutorial video demonstrating how you can create the geometry, how you can mesh and define the needed settings such as pre-processing, processing, and also post-processing in the ANSYS Fluent software all by yourself. Additionally, post-technical support is available to clarify issues and doubts.
To benefit from MR CFD services including simulation, consultation, and training, visit our website www.mrcfd.com and contact us via info@mrcfd.com.